You think the shoes are way, way down, no one's paying attention, but if anyone walks into a room, the shoes are always the thing that make the impression. Well, there's really only two ways you can change a sofa easily. One is to cover it, which Bemz already does. The other is to change the legs, and arguably the legs are even more powerful because the legs they're like the fancy shoes of the furniture world. My vision for this collection was to create 3 different unique styles that were had a lot of character, a lot of personality, and were very different. What I hope that customers do is that they use our legs to transform pieces of furniture that everybody has seen. When people walk into their house, they go, "Hey, where'd you get that? I've never seen that before." I love the idea that we could actually zero in on the legs and make a statement there.